Hey y'all, this is Allie Bug. I'm over here at Starkey Farmstead doing some spring cleaning. I'll stop talking and let y'all enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. Okay, so you guys saw my video the other day about growing pains. It is a real thing. So, Steven and I made an executive decision that we would pay for a second set of hands on the farm to help me during the week while he worked so that I could get ready for our April 1st class. As you can see behind me, my niece has begun the pressure washing for me. This was with no bleach, okay, because that's an organic raised bed right below it, and I don't want to kill anything or make anything toxic. So this is just pressure washing, but I'm super excited, guys, because if you live in the South, you understand how quick algae, mold, green film, all that stuff just grows. So if you guys ever watch my dad's YouTube channel, Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allie Bug, there's Allie Bug doing my mobile home for me, and so I'm so thankful to have her, because look at that. And I have enough going on right now that finding the time to pressure wash, not very high on my list of things that I need to take care of, but it was a blessing to have her, and we're so thankful for her.